What's going on, YouTube fan? How y'all doing and stuff like that? Boy, y'all got me feeling special. Ooh, I took and opened up my laptop this morning, got 103 views on one and 154 on the other one. I appreciate that. Listen, when I said that I need a sponsor or donation to the car, I don't need your money. Just share, like the video, subscribe, so I can get monetized and I can do it that way and I can sink that money into that Camaro. That thing is expensive. Like I said, found a windshield for it and everything. $400 for that windshield, just for the windshield, and that's not counting putting it in. $200 for the original tail light that goes in the back for the passenger side. You know, the body pieces ain't that expensive, boy. The little shit is like, phew. But hey, enough of that. The Camaro is coming through. I doubt if we're going to do any work today to it. Girl's family is in town, so yeah, but we are going to talk about, a lot of people have been asking about it and stuff like that, and I know damn well that I've been kind of slacking off on it and stuff like that. So guys, this is for you, and thank you for everybody for watching. We got it tore apart. This is a 71 F-150 with the turbine wheels. Yeah, we're going to fix this one up. It's on its way, being restored. Now remember, we got that blue. He's got that blue 1974. We're actually rebuilding the motor in this one. We're actually rebuilding the motor in this one to put into the 74, and then we're going to rebuild that. And yeah, it's actually coming along decent. This motor was actually really hell getting out. I should have had some footage of it, but that day was just one of them off days. The engine and stuff like that and everything, and I'm going to tell you guys, there's a thing on the front of these engines. It's called an oil slinger. And a lot of people don't know about the oil slinger. But, you know, I've kind of done quite a few of these old motors and stuff like that during my times, and those oil slingers are pretty important. I mean, a lot of people are like, oh, you don't need them if you do this. No, you do need them. This engine here did have a rebuild kit into it, but they didn't put the oil slinger in, so it cooked some stuff. And where the hell is it? But we are slowly putting this engine together. Problem we had is I get the I wonder where you put the damn oil slinger. Kind of weird. Anyways, I'll be looking for it while I'm talking to you guys, I guess. But we got the cam in. Actually, the cam fell down. Okay, got to fix that. The cam is in. I think it's a I can't remember. I think it's like a 5.5 cam ratio. Give it a little bit of a, you know, lobe on it. We took and wow, I cannot talk. I am so sorry this morning, guys. Oh, let me think here. Okay. Why can't I think of it? Honed. Ha! Got it. Sorry. Ooh, wow. We honed. And look at that. The honing tool. I honed the cylinders. Y'all can see. They look all nice and good. Y'all seen the previous videos. Yeah, I'm actually glad that it tore this motor apart. Found out that it did not have the oil slinger. Aha, found the oil slinger. This little thing right here. This thing is impossible to find for a Ford engine. It is. It's impossible. This one right here actually came for a Dodge. This came, it said 360, 390, a whole bunch of other shit, but Dodge, Jeep, stuff like that. So if you have this thing, if y'all take one of these apart, the 302s, everything like that, and y'all take this out, make sure y'all put it in a plastic bag and shove it in someone's butt that you know that's not going to lose it. This thing's very, very important. But it goes right here on the front of the crankshaft once you have everything on. But as you can see, it's a Dodge, and it just barely won't fit on there. I mean, the keyhole is the same. You know, might need to file that out too a little bit, not much. And then this just, it fits right there on the lip, but it just needs just a little bit of smoothing out. But yeah, this is very important. Yeah, it cooked this whole entire bottom of this engine without having that. It's just really weird. But this engine was also built wrong. We found metal spring inside this engine. I had the footage of that. I'm going to try to find it to slide it into this video. So if it is, it'll be on right now. If not, then I lost it and I apologize. Yeah, but that's what's going on with this. Took and got some emery cloth and cleaned up the crank and everything. The heads are all looking good. I don't really think I have to do anything to the heads. I think they actually took the heads to a machine shop. I've seen some, some machine surface marks on the heads. So I think these were actually done by a machine shop, and then they attempted to overhaul this. But yeah, I mean, yeah, I hope I could find that video. They had so much silicone on the water jackets of the water pump that literally there was like this much water flow between the silicone and, I mean, you can see how that is. See, there was probably about that much silicone covering up the hole when we took it off. I'm hoping I could find that video for you guys. But this is a kit, and he actually, his kit wasn't really too bad. I think it was like, I think he said it was like 500-ish. So it wasn't bad at all. Came with brand new pistons, timing chain, entire gasket kit, lifters, oil pump, rod bearings. Now, I think somebody was screwing with them. Now, everything in this box is correct for the 364. Everything is correct, except somebody that works there, I think, was being a little bit of a smartass and sent him Chevrolet crank bearings. Yeah. Everything else is perfect. But they shipped them Chevrolet crank bearings. So yeah, I think somebody had a little bit of a humor side there on that. But hey. But yeah, these cylinder walls actually came out a whole hell of a lot better than I thought. It looks like I might need to do some more here. Yeah, it looks like I might need to do a little bit more over here on this side. But other than that, it's actually looking, I don't know, it's pretty smooth. That's pretty smooth. Well, little bit right there. That one's smooth. Yeah, I got just a little bit of more honing to do. So, that's cool. I ain't worried about that. But yeah, guys, it is getting there. Yeah, he started painting this stuff, and he, you're never going to see that, but yeah, he painted that. It looks good, but, it's, told me you don't need to paint the other side. Ain't nobody going to see that. And then that, and that pain in the ass for some reason to me. But we're going to get it on there. Oil pan's looking good, though. Check this out, guys. I think I even said it in the other video, but I'm not sure if I lost the other video, but somebody has welded a second drain plug into this oil pan. I wonder why is that? That's weird. But yeah, it is getting there, guys. It's getting there. Yes. Beautiful Holly Berry. You know, a lot of people give me shit about this truck. But you know what? This truck, she is a bad girl. She really is. I am so glad to have her put back together. She looks so good sitting there. This thing. Still looking for a transmission for it. I was right. This thing does have a newer engine in it. It has like a 90s model 4.3 in it. And, man, I wish it didn't have that. I wish it had the later model, or at least like the 86 to 88. That would have been good. This one right here, I need to put a coil pack in him. Yeah, number 7-cylinder coil pack went out. But I have it, I guess I hadn't put it on yet. Kind of one of them things. Alright guys, hope y'all enjoyed this video. But yeah, we are going to fix this one up and everything. I told him and stuff that if he could find cab corners or cab mounts, if he could find brand new cab mounts, we'll go ahead and restore this truck. I'd be a son of a bitch if he didn't find cab mounts. So, yeah. He wants, I'll help him do it. He's a good kid. He helps me a lot around here. We also gonna paint it that turquoise blue. That's gonna be a really nice color. Yeah. I don't know. I mean, it's just, I just can't keep harping on how much of just a disgrace to this truck to paint it like that. I don't know, maybe the paint and stuff, the turquoise blue that was before they painted it, maybe the turquoise blue was messed up somehow. You know, maybe it had some kind of like, you know, crap down the side of it or something. They just couldn't get off the paint. Maybe. But, yeah. At least the windshield's good. Happy with that. He's happy with that. Alright guys, I'm gonna let y'all go. Tell me what y'all think of these turbine wheels. Somebody told me that these wheels, not sure or not, but somebody told me that these wheels were worth $5 grand. I don't see it. What do y'all guys think? You think these wheels are worth $5 grand? Now I think they're worth some money, don't get me wrong. You can't find these turbine wheels anymore. But $5 grand? I don't know. But hey, if somebody's willing to shell out the $5 grand for those, leave a comment. We'll make a deal. I'll sell you these for $5 grand. I will. Alright guys. I'll catch y'all later. We're having a cleanup day tomorrow, starting at 7 a.m. in the morning. So there's going to be some great footage about that and everything. Matter of fact, I got to do some work at my trailer. But yeah, we're going to be seeing all kinds of cool stuff and everything, and hopefully getting a lot of cool stuff. Last time it was actually pretty good and everything and stuff. So I'm not a scrapper, but I do like to resell items. So yeah, that's going to be actually that's actually going to be pretty cool. Wow, the size of that rope. And that muffler. I have no idea what the hell we're going to do with that muffler. But, yeah. So, thanks for everybody for watching. Please share, like, and subscribe so I can start getting the funds to start fixing up that American Icon. I mean, I am doing the best I can. Alright guys, y'all can hear my phone ringing. Y'all guys have a good one. Dirty Boy out. Y'all have a great day.